Back to the gathering. We're gonna have some breakfast before our dive. Hey, are you coming? Michael's joining us for the dive. About to go on our second dive of the day. I saw a guitar shark. It was really good.
Oh, let me take my
Cheers. Oh, that is cheers. That was a great dive. What did we see, Justin? We saw a guitar shark.
guitar shark, eagle, one or two eagle rays,
Yeah.
a couple stingrays.
Wow. A
turtle,
lobster. A huge lobster.
two lionfish.
Yes. And they were
a
puffed
lot
up
of fat
too.
fish.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited right now. We just got some ice cream bars. They're gluten-free, sugar-free,
And dairy.
and dairy-free?
Yeah.
What are they made of?
What is in it?
Anyway, when we first came into the villa, Tracy had one and she was raving about them. Okay. Gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free ice cream sandwich. So what is this made of?
It's just ice.
It's just ice. How is it? Good? Yum. Finally get to try it. I'm currently masking. I have on this avocado mask that I love from Kiehl's. It's super hydrating. I did 2 dives today, and Justin's also a little bit sunburnt. So we're just gonna have like a little spa night. So we are getting ready for dinner tonight. This is my outfit. I have a Cult Gaia pearl bag. And then I have this beautiful Catherine G dress. She's a designer in Santa Barbara. And I actually know her. She's friends with my mother-in-law. So I had to get this beautiful dress. Holly Berry actually wore this dress when she was on vacation. There's a photo. I'm going to insert it here. But yeah, I'm just channeling Holly Berry for dinner tonight. So I actually just found out too that there is a Michelin star chef from the UK. He is cooking dinner tonight and for the next 2 nights after that. I'm gonna get ready and we are gonna go have some yummy dinner by a Michelin star chef. I can't wait. Going on another dive. Back from our dive. We're gonna relax here. Whoa, look at this little baby shark.
Tiny fish.
Hey, get the fish, get the fish. What a big hermit crab. Oh! Wow, I've never seen one this big. He's going back in the water. What a beautiful beach. The sand is powdery. Biking over to the spa. We're here. Looks beautiful. I love the roofs. Oh my goodness. Look at this restroom. We have our toilet, a couch. Love the sink. and we're like partially outside with an amazing view. This is outside of the restroom. Wow, this is the gym. Whoa, look at this gym. I'm about to do some aerial exercises on this thing. We are resting in this little relaxation hut that has some ocean sounds. Here's Justin, super relaxed. Thank you. Here's my rose milk drink. It's so good. Taste some.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's like
I've
rose
never tasted
petals,
anything like that, really.
cardamom.
It doesn't just taste
honey.
like rose though, it's also like milky. I don't know.
This is the little shop. It is super cute. It smells amazing. I love all these shapes. I just smelled these and every single one is amazing. Morning. So we changed rooms last night and this place is amazing. We're on the island now. So far we've stayed on 2 separate overwater villas and now we are on a beach villa. I believe there's only 5 beach villas and this one is the biggest, the nicest one. But do check out my thorough tour. There's a gym in this place. I used that this morning. I did some biking and then I used this weight, like this cool weight machine they have. So I'm just feeling really strong today. Justin's getting measured.
Yeah.
He's getting the sommelier uniform. It's like this nice purple pink. I am having one of the vegan, let's see what it says, hold on. It's a vegan Snickers bar. We are heading over to the beach now. We had a very good time in the pool. Relaxing, reading on the floaty. Oh, swam right next to Tracy. Now you can see it. Yeah. Heading to the steam. Ah, it's so amazing here. Loving this breeze. We just took our baths and got ready. I want to show you guys my outfit. I have on this skirt, super soft and flowy. I love it. I think it's from H&M. I got it with my friend right before we left. I just needed one more dinner outfit. Well, let's go to dinner. We're gonna be going to a full moon party and it's gonna be on the beach and it's kind of gonna be set up the same way they did our Monday night dinner, which was just, yeah, on the beach. Lots of different things to try and I'm excited about that because I love trying all the things. Good morning. This is our last morning at Soneva, Jani. We are packing up to go to a local island. Justin, what's the island called? Fuvahmulah. We're going to Fuvahmulah. I don't think they're called butlers. I do like the sound of that though, but I think they're called barefoot guides. And basically he told Justin's dad about Fuvahmulah. We were going to, I think, just go to Dubai after we had a few days where we weren't sure what we were doing. But he told them about Fuvahmulah and they basically have tiger sharks there. So my next vlog, hope you guys watch, will be all about this local island and our experience diving with tiger sharks. I've actually tried not to think about it too much. I feel like if I do, I'll get nervous. We're gonna wait for the plane at the gathering. So guilty. last time in the chocolate room. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. They set up the chocolate room for Easter and everything's adorable. Oh, okay, look. Oh,
Sunday, so
how cute. All these little things. Those are all sculptures, so we can't eat those. Oh my goodness, this is cute. I won't take that. We might have to take a little golden egg. Yeah, chai coconut banana. I'm gonna get my candied orange.
it's chocolate.
How cute. Are you making these to put in people's rooms?
Yeah.
Vlog? Guilty.